Alright, Jake, so today we're going to be learning about least common multiple. So it says a multiple of numbers is the product of the number multiplied by a whole number. So 3 times 1 equals 3. 3 times 2 equals 6. 3 times 3 equals 9. 3 times 4 equals 12. 3 times 5 equals 15. 3 times 6, 18. 3 times 7, 21. 3 times 8, 24. And 3 times 9, 27. And this can keep on going. It's like it says here. The multiples of 3 are 3, 6, 9, 12, 18, 21, 24, 27, 30, 33, 36, 39, 42, and it just goes on and on and on and on. So those are the multiples of the number, so we can focus, the number 3. Now let's keep on reading. Hopefully this adjusts. Common multiples are multiples that are shared by 2 or more numbers. So we'll come into this in just a minute and I'll show you what a least common multiple is. Number 3, the least common multiple, or they call it the LCM, is the smallest multiple that is shared by 2 or more numbers. Now you might ask yourself, what does that mean? Let's take a look at it. Here in your book, you have a 2, a 4, and a 6. The multiples of 2 are 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16. Keep on going. 18, 20, 22, 24, 26, 24, and it keeps going. Multiples of 4 are 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, 32, and it keeps on going. Multiples of 6, 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, 42, 48, and it keeps on going. So the common multiples, in other words, the common means the same. From here, there's a 12. Oh, there's a 12. Ah, there's a 12. Another common multiple is 24 because 24 here, 24 here. And if you keep on going, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24. So that would be the common multiples. So those are the same, but we are looking for the least. That's your keyword, least. So the least common multiple would not be 24. Is the lowest number when they all kind of meet at the same number. Do they meet here? Nope. Did they meet here? No, because you're starting with 6. Did they meet here? No, because 6 plus 6 is 12. Did they meet here? 10? There's no 10 here. There's no 10 here. But, oh, they meet at the first one. 12, 12, 12 is the least, the closest to 0. The least common multiple. I'm going to give you an example. Example number 1. So we have the multiple of 2, the multiple of 3, and the multiple of 4. So we're going to go 2, 4, count by 2s, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16. We can stop there. 3, count by 3s, 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21. We'll stop there. 4, 4, 8, 12, count by 4s, 16, oops, 20, I forgot, 24. So, which one would be the least common multiple? Do your numbers are the same here? No. Oh, there's 2 4s. Oh, but there's no 4 here. Oh, there's 2 6s. But there's no 6 here. There's an 8. There's 2 8, but there's no 8 here. 10? Well, there's no 10s here. But guess what? Right here, There's the least common. So there's a 12. There's a 12 and there's a 12. So you're gonna hear this a lot. LCM, least common multiple. It is the awesome and coolest number 12. Cha-ching. So when we look at this, you're now class practice. List the first 5 multiples of each number. So just like we did here, we listed how many multiples? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we listed the first 8. Here they're just asking you for the first 5. In this case, it would be, I'm going to give you a little hint, 5. So 5. So you would write 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. You're counting by 5s. Here you're going to be counting by 7. Here you're going to be counting by 4s. Here you're going to be counting by 3s. Here you're going to be counting by 6. Just a little hint right here. 6 is already done for you. Haha. And 3 is already done for you. Haha. You're going to count by 10s. So they want you to list all the common multiples. So this is class practice number 1. I will give you a little bit of time for you to fill this in. Take your time. And we're back. So now that we're back, we're going to go to complete this chart. So now here they give you the multiples. Multiple of 9, a 12, a 3, 4, a 5, 8, a 7, 10. Okay. So on here, they've already done a lot of it for you. They've done multiplying by 9, 9, 18, 27, 36, 45, 54, 63, 72. After that, it would be 81. After that would be 90, etc. And on this one, it's multiplying by 12s. That's a big number. 12, 24, 36, 48, 60, 72, 84, 96, and it keeps going. So they're asking for the common multiple and the least common multiple. So here, which ones are the same? 36 and 36, you have them right here. They're common, they're the same. 72 and 72, they're the same on the top for the 9 and on the bottom for the 12. So they gave you the answer. Now, which one's the least out of the two? 72 or 36? Well, as you can see, it's 36, least common multiple. It starts again here, 3 and 4. So multiplying by 3s, again, you can kind of use these up here. But 3, 6, 9, 12, it would be, I'm going to help you out here, 15, 18, 21, 24. And then here, 4, 8, 12, 16, which is up here. 4, 8, 12, 16, 18, 20, 24, etc. So which ones are your common multiples? They've given you the first one. So what else do you see on these after you fill them out? Will be your next common multiple. And then, of course, the first one was 12. So is your least common. They already gave you that answer. Now your goal here is to have your multiples of 5s, multiples of 8s, find your your common multiples. So somewhere on here, you're going to have the same number somewhere on here. You're going to write those down. But then you're going to write the least, the lowest common one. And then you're going to do that again for 7 and 10. You're going to write down all of them times 7, all of them times 10. You've done some here. You've done some here. So you can fill it, keep on going, and you're going to write your common multiples and then your least common multiple. Take some time to do that. Jake, remember that there's times where you're going to have to count maybe using your hands. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Sometimes you're going to have to maybe write them down or count as however you want to. But write down all your multiples, then also write down your common multiples And the ones we're looking for as your session, as your classes, is least common multiples. Once you have those down, you can go to the next page, page number 70, lesson 76, page 138, and I'll pick up from there.